We are now going to demonstrate just how effective Polytron products are compared to other products on the market. Here we see a standard testing device used to compare the effectiveness of lubricants. First, we will test Pennzoil. Notice the damage to the bearing. Next, we will test an expensive synthetic oil, Mobil 1. Again, as we apply pressure to the torque wrench, you can see smoke from the friction. This time, at 60 pounds of torque, the machine seizes up, causing similar damage to the bearing. This time, we will add Polytron lubricant concentrate to a low-cost generic oil. As we apply pressure to the torque wrench, we hear no change in the sound due to Polytron's bonding capabilities. Even at over 150 pounds of torque, the bearing does not seize up. Close inspection shows very little scoring. Now let's add some dirt, sand, and water. Even with these pollutants, Polytron's incredible protective lubricating layer is able to stand up to this punishment. Because Polytron lubricant concentrate bonds to the metal, it provides the ultimate protection during cold startups. In this demonstration, we are draining the oil from the vehicle. Amazingly, Polytron lubricant concentrate is so effective, the engine continues to run without overheating and seizing up, even in a vehicle in poor condition such as this one. Without Polytron lubricant concentrate, a sudden loss of oil like this would cause the engine to freeze up in seconds, causing thousands of dollars in damage. Even after driving 15 miles, the car continues to run. Now, let's test grease. The bearing quickly seizes up even under light loads. Damage is severe. Mobil 1 is not much better at protecting the bearing. Even with very little torque applied, the machine seizes up, once again damaging the bearing. Now we'll test Polytron grease. Polytron continues to properly lubricate the bearing, even after adding dirt, sand, and water. This is due to Polytron's ability to molecularly bond to the bearing, forming a protective coating. With Polytron, you'll experience less wear and tear, low maintenance, and less downtime. All this adds up to significant savings.